Good evening, traders. Good evening, Philippines. Again, this is the pre-market, so I live streamed earlier before during the overnight, or I should say overnight session. Now this is considered as pre-market open. I have an open trade right now, and before I start, as usual, I have to flash this disclaimer. Okay, every time. So any comments made during this live stream, should I say? This live stream should not be considered as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This live stream is basically educational purposes only, to basically illustrate how I trade the legacy strategy that I teach my students. Any past performance of the legacy strategy is not indicative of future results. I must also emphasize that I'm neither a licensed nor professional trading advisor. I am a retail trader, like most of you are. And there's the view. I got this. So I think this has been going on for more, maybe an hour. I think. I don't know what time I got this. Now there's the markers there. Finally, there's one there. I got it right here. Really not the perfect entry. I would have liked to gotten down here, further down here, but that's fine. And the way it's market moving is really just grinding up and down. Really, if I had two contracts, I would want to trade it up to here. My second contract would be at this level up here, but right now I'm just targeting the Keltner channel, the edge of the Keltner channel. And as you can see here, I think the highest point here, I think we already passed. We breached the high of the day, and basically you can see here it's basically on the +3 deviation. +3 deviations right here, and the edges are on there. So we are getting to the edge of the DV, or should I say the VWAP. And usually when it hits a +3 or anywhere the 3 level, either the -3 or the +3, it's going to tend to come back and test the VWAP. So basically that's why I have my take profit there. And it most likely will get up to here sometime, either before the pre-market or before by the morning session. But take my profit here. I'm already up close to 5 points. So I'm not gonna try to be greedy. That's around $237 already dollars. So I'll leave it at that. If it hits that, that's fine. So again, just this is during the what we consider the pre-market open session. So I will again leave this here and not be in front of my monitor. In fact, during the pre-market, or should I say the morning session, I was doing my workout while that trade was going on. So this one, I'm about to eat my dinner, and I might step out. So if this hits before I leave my condo here, I'll see you guys during the morning session, which is what 10:30 here in the Philippines. But it looks like this is gonna hit. I might just head to see, it's just basically grinding up, but you know what it's gonna be. It's trying to head up to here, and usually and since this is the holiday season, if this was a regular session rather than that being a holiday, I would have had that up to the blue target here. But since it's the holiday session, or holiday season, I should say, uh, there's not that much volatility, especially if you can see here, we're now trading a new contract date. It's basically expiration is 3/21. We're in the expiration week for the current contract, which expires at 12 December. This basically this Friday. But I see that there's more volume. In fact, let me see if I can get that. Uh, Let me see if it's here. If it's not, then I may have to look it up somewhere. Quotes. Oh, here we are. So let me get this up here and I'll share it with you. And this is how we determine what contract to trade, okay? Because we are close to the rollover contract week, okay? So here we are. This is the CME group, the exchange basically. So you see here, right here. So here's the contract months. The December is going to be expiring. This is what we are currently on, as you can see here. Here's the volume. So basically 113,000. Here's the March 21, which is going to be coming up in by the end of this week, right? So it's 154,000. Which one has the bigger volume? It's basically the March 21. That's the reason why I'm now on the contract of the March contract, as you can see here, March 321. That's why I'm trading that contract. And I think some traders had questions how I determine which contract to trade, since this is the rollover week for the indices. And just wanted to show that. So there's my target. Step out for a minute. If it hits, it hits. And we'll just take it's going to take its time. Talk to you guys later. So there, I think we hit the target. I think that was worth 300 some. Yep, 375. As you can see, it hit the edge, and we have a nice momentum, strong momentum bar to the upside right here. So we're looking to basically hit here. If I had another second contract, I would have hit that. But again, I'm only trading one contract to basically limit my loss, especially now during the holidays. It's basically you have a lot of erratic movements, so I can't really put a lot of risk on there. But during the morning session, I'll see. Maybe I'll trade two contracts. So basically, that trade was a $375 trade. So with that, I'm gonna end this for the what we call the pre-market open. Um, I think that was more like 5 points. I think. Let me see. Oh, 7 points. I'm sorry. So I'll take that. And like I said, this probably will hit up to this Fibonacci level right here. So I'll talk to you guys later tonight, 10:30, around that time, around 10:30, 11 o'clock. I don't usually trade the first 30 minutes. Okay. Talk to you then. God bless.